Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to share in Lucidchart. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Lucidchart, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Sharing a Lucidchart document is a straightforward process offering multiple options to collaborate or present your work. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to open the document you want to share. Or if you haven't already, just click this new button on the upper left corner, go to Lucidchart. You can start creating a blank document or create from template and then share it later. In my case, I'm going to be using this file that I have created. From here, you have three buttons here, wherein you have the more option. All you have to do is once you are here is click the share button and you would be forwarded to this pop-up box wherein you can add people or Lucid groups. This is one of the handiest options if you are working with multiple freelancers or maybe you're working with your boss. You might want to add people or groups here. Now, after putting in the name, for example, I'm going to be putting in my email. Presenter. All right. Now, you can have a custom level of access. You can use the edit and share wherein they can edit, share, and change access permissions. If you click the edit, what would happen is they can only edit but cannot share or change access permissions. If they can comment only, they can comment but can't share, edit, or change access permissions. But if you choose the view, they can only view but can't share, edit, comment, or change access permissions. You can also put in a custom image here. And from here, click the invite button. All right. You can also click the shareable link where if you want to copy that and send it to, let's say, for example, to your client via email, you can do that. Another option is just open the file already. Wait for it to load. A pop-up menu will appear. Go to the file option. And again, there is an option here that says share document. Similarly to the option that we have earlier, you can set permissions on to the people you want to share the document with. Alternatively, go to the upper right corner. You see there is a share button here. Again, you can set permissions and change a link permissions accordingly from here. All right. It's a very easy thing to do. Now, the last option is go to the file section, click the publish, and you would be forwarded to make your content visible to anyone by publishing it to the web. You can use full document URL. You can use the full document PDF or a single PDF with image or area selection image and click the generate link. What happens is you would be forwarded here wherein you can copy and share the publishable URL. Now, remember, always check permissions before sharing sensitive information. You can also use the comment only mode for feedback without allowing edits, and for live presentations, use the present mode to showcase your diagram interactively. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.